Welcome back to my channel. Today's video about study part 2, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Here are some tips to help you do better in your studies. Number 1. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks during your study sessions is essential to improving your productivity and maintaining your focus. After an extended period of studying, your brain can become fatigued and less effective at retaining information. By taking breaks, you can recharge your brain, increase your productivity, and avoid burnout. Taking short breaks every hour or so is recommended. During these breaks, you can stretch, take a walk, or engage in another activity that you enjoy. This can help you relax and refresh your mind, making it easier for you to return to your studies with renewed energy and focus. It's important to note that breaks should be short and purposeful. Avoid taking long breaks that can turn into procrastination, as this can disrupt your study session and hinder your productivity. Try to limit your breaks to 10 to 15 minutes at most, and use them to engage in an activity that will help you relax, recharge, and refocus. By taking regular breaks, you can also prevent burnout, which is a common problem among students who push themselves too hard without taking enough rest. Burnout can lead to stress, exhaustion, and a decreased motivation to continue studying. By taking breaks, you can prevent burnout, improve your mood, and feel more energized and focused. In summary, taking regular breaks during your study sessions is crucial to your productivity, focus, and overall well-being. By taking short and purposeful breaks every hour or so, you can recharge your brain, avoid burnout, and improve your academic performance. Number 2. Use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques are strategies that require learners to engage actively in the learning process, which can improve their ability to remember what they are studying. These techniques include summarizing, highlighting, and asking questions, which help learners to process the information they are studying more deeply and effectively. Summarizing is a technique that involves condensing a larger piece of information into a brief summary. This technique requires learners to identify the main ideas and concepts in the information and to restate them in their own words. This process helps learners to process the information more deeply and to retain it better. Highlighting involves identifying the most important information in a text and marking it with a highlighter or other writing tool. This technique helps learners to focus on the key points in the information and to remember them more easily. Asking questions is another effective active learning technique. This technique involves asking oneself questions about the information being studied. For example, learners might ask themselves what the main idea of a text is, what evidence supports a particular argument, or what the implications of a particular concept are. By asking these questions, learners are able to engage more deeply with the information and to remember it better. In conclusion, active learning techniques are effective ways to improve memory and retention of information. By summarizing, highlighting, and asking questions, learners can engage more deeply with the information and remember it more effectively. In this video we learn about study. If you want more things like this, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.